Well, I mentioned my wife before, and I really do owe everything that I've been able to accomplish musically to her. She's a wonderful companion and a supportive beyond all measure, and I really can't thank her enough. And she also gave me the opportunity to write this next song, which is she's directly responsible for it. We, like everybody else, have our differences of opinion. We call them discussions, we don't call them arguments. I haven't won a discussion for a long time. This particular discussion, however, I thought I had strong grounds on which to stand. And so I maintained my position longer than I probably should have. Yeah, it's easy for you to laugh. She got madder and madder and madder over the course of several days, not unlike a tropical storm building into a hurricane. So, sweetheart, wherever you are, this is called Hurricane Woman Blues. Got a hurricane woman. Right about now, she's a Category 4. Right about now, she's a Category 4. Better look out, people. She's about to blow down my door. Been picking up steam since Monday. By Wednesday night, she's a howling gale. Been picking up steam since Monday. By Wednesday night, she's a howling gale. I feel a bit like old Jonah, tossed around in the belly of that whale. Tornadoes in the den. I doubt this heavy weather is ever gonna end. Ooh, I'm not too good with my forecasts anyway. It's easy for you to laugh, man. This ain't just a cloudburst, people. Hurricane been going on for days and days. Flood waters rising, my furniture is floating all around. Flood water rising, my furniture is floating all around. There's a waterfall down the stairwell. I think I'll just go in the basement and drown. Got a hurricane woman. Oh, that's all I got to say. Got a hurricane woman. Oh, but I would not have it any other way. away. That right there, friends and neighbors, is the only reason this song saw the light of day. Is that line right there? When that storm blows over, she loves me right. She loves me right. Oh, she loves me right. Oh, she loves me right every night and every day.